Okay, Dawn, I am in the integumentary system lab. Like I'm doing it myself right now, and the slide that you're supposed to get is that you're supposed to get from the slide collection is called human skin. Okay, I don't know if you know this or not. I have no idea what you are aware of and what you're not aware of, but what I can tell you is you're supposed to use human skin for both of those photos that you showed me in your screenshot that you sent. And you're supposed to label the epidermis, the dermal papilla, and the dermal layer for the photo one. So, I mean, now I'm going to cheat because I can tell you what I think, but then I'm going to look up the answers, okay? Um, so I know that these are the dermal papilla because dermal papilla are like, they're finger-like projections that kind of, you know, they're projections that project into the epidermis. Okay, so the purple is your epidermis, and the like outer layers of cells of the epidermis are going to be like in this area. And then I think up here is just, I don't know, mostly keratin. I don't know. But anyway, I know that this purple is the epidermis. And I know that these are called epidermal ridges, where the purple little ridges that project into the dermis. And then the lighter colored projections that project upward are the dermal papilla. And you're supposed to label the dermal papilla and the dermal layer. So this is, I mean, the dermal layer is this. It's just all of this light. And then all of this purple is the epidermis. So I'm actually going to show you the answer from, well, I thought I was. Oh my goodness. Well, in the next one, to label the epidermis, the cells of the epidermis, to me, you need to blow it up. I mean, this is low power. I would blow it up to medium power. Low power is fine for photo one, but then I'd blow it up to medium power for photo two because you need to label the cells of you need to label the layers of the epidermis. So what I'm going to do now is go into the new grade book and pick somebody who made 100 on it. And I'm just going to show you what the final photo should look like after you download it and after you label it. And also, well, I want to go back to this. This is the virtual microscope, and I did all the preliminary stuff that you have to do to get your green checks, right? Okay, so I did all that. And so this is the slide, and I got it from, it's human skin. So I don't know if you knew that or not, but you use the human skin slide for both photo one and photo two. All right, and then next thing, like I said, was okay, let me get out of this. I'm going to go to somebody that made 100 on it. And just scroll down to it. Or no, okay, it's in the experiment, so it would be right here. Okay, so you see, and this is the answer. I'm just going ahead and showing you the answer because the epidermis would actually be this entire layer here, and then also the purple, the dark purple and the medium purple. But everything below that is the dermal layer that's the lightest, you know, this large section here. And your dermal papilla, this would be a good one to label. The dermal papilla would be these little projections that project up into the epidermis. And then the second photo, hold on, sorry. Okay, photo 2, the epidermis layers, actually they have used here, well, this student used the same view of the slide on low power. I would encourage you to change it to medium power and do it like they did here in the answers. So basically in the epidermis, this whole, from this top part all the way to this purple area here is epidermis. So it's showing you that this section is the stratum corneum, which is dead cells that are filled with keratin. And then here is the stratum lucidum. The stratum granulosum is dark purple. The stratum spinosum is here. And then the stratum basale would be literally one single layer of cells at the very, very bottom of the epidermis, basically where it connects with the dermis. So I hope this was helpful. I'm sorry it was so long, but use the slide that says human skin for both photo 1 and photo 2. And I would say for photo 1, use low power, and for photo 2, use the medium power.